Hi, good afternoon. My name is Jose Ferrer, and I'm going to give you a quick 2 to 3 minute presentation of using Second Life. I used Second Life in the past for educational purposes through my graduate and undergraduate degree. Here in this web page on Second Life, this room, it's called the Planetarium. Let me give you some quick information on what I went through when I designed my avatar. Designing my avatar was kind of easy. It's an easy process. As you can see here to the left, it shows you, if you want, the sex of the person you're going to be choosing, your avatar, male or female, the clothing, and so on. There's different things you can add to your avatar. I made myself simple. I like to wear a long sleeve baseball shirt, so I kind of added to shirt. As well as jeans. I'm a jean type of person when I'm not at work. So it was pretty easy designing my avatar. Plus, I made it look a little like me. Maybe it's not exactly identical, but you could say it resembles my face, my body. Now here at the Planetarium, the reason why I chose this is because this, as far as used the avatar in the virtual world being used for learning, it's a great tool. You can use it for learning. That's very easily accessible. There's instant information that is shared amongst the people that you're collaborating with here. You can collaborate with students and your teachers. You can learn about the 3D environment. You have a large audience to which to teach to. You can engage students of all ages. It is suggested that students 13 and older use Second Life, but if it's used properly, you could use it at any age. You can use it for any subject as well. You can have blended learning, self-paced learning. And here in this Planetarium, as you can see, there is a planet. It's cool because you get to click on this and you actually choose what planet you want to learn about, or what what mode you want to learn about as well. And you're able to transport and teleport to other worlds. This one right here, once you teleport into this world. And you go to space, and you're able to see the rest of the planets. You're able to click on the planet you want and learn from that planet, from the moons the planet has. So it's a great tool that you can use for school. I've been using it here at UTRGV, and I've learned a lot from it. Also, things that you can connect to the research is that you're able to visit other countries. You're able to take virtual field trips. You can. There has been research that states that it does improve learning and listening skills. Also, it improves writing because speaking in these virtual worlds is optional when you communicate with your other members of your room that you're in. So typing, it helps you with your writing and typing a lot, and also it helps you with problem-solving skills because some of the problems in the real world we're not able to solve them, but in this virtual world you can try to. So it does help with that as well. And my experience with Second Life has been awesome. I'll show you a quick right here. I'm going to go to Planet Earth, click on it, and you go back to the Planetarium, but you're able to click on the planet. It gives you more information on the planet. So it's actually pretty cool. I do like it. I enjoy it a lot. And I'm sure that school districts, if used and implemented properly, it'd be a great tool that can be used in education, because nowadays students learn differently. This is another way that they can learn. Also, students that might be sick, you could teach them through a virtual world. Students that might be out of town don't want to miss class. So you're able to use a Second Life for a wide range of ways in the classroom. So this is my quick presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Do try it when you go to Second Life. Go to the Planetarium. This is a great room where you learn about the planets in the solar system. So thank you very much.